Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So if you have a pet that can be a little messy when they eat, I would highly suggest that you check out this pet feeding mat from DK177. I absolutely love this mat, and I'm so thankful that I don't have to deal with spilled water anymore from my dog. She's really cute and sweet, but she sure can be messy when it comes to drinking her water. The first thing that really impressed me about this mat is that it's really absorbent and water does not leak through to my floors. And it really just keeps my pet eating area very clean and tidy. I love that it's anti-slip on the bottom so that my dog can't push the mat around when she's enjoying her food or water. This mat is really easy to clean. I can just wipe it clean if there's a little bit of dust or dog hair that gets on it, or if I want to do a deeper clean on the mat, I can just rinse it off in the sink. This pet feeding mat from DK177 comes in a variety of colors. And I got the striped dark gray one because it really matches the decor in my house. I've honestly even thought about getting another mat for my cats in their feeding area. It's just a really nice addition to my pet supplies. And that's my point of view.